Carlo! Right there? Hands in there. Baby, stay here with me. Okay. Stay here.
Hey, wait! Wait!
Hey!
Go!
Ah, that was nothing! Come here, go with Mommy. They're here. You better hope it save that video. Benita, come here. Come here. Ma'am. Is that it? Oh, no. You didn't kiss me at all. No, barely.
You filmed all of it?
Yeah.
Do it. Shake it.
Yeah, let me shake it. Happy New Year, son.
Happy New Year. Hold it. Don't miss it.
Who are you showing it to? It's champagne?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's for the big boy.
Hey, Tim, shut up. I'm sorry, I won't say it again. I'm sorry, Vanessa, I won't say it no more.
Hey, time goes back an hour, so it's 11 o'clock.
What? Stupid.
Trick ya. Happy New Year's, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Hope you have a good one.
You too.
Kiss 2011 goodbye. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hope you have a good one this year.
Happy New Year, Kayla. Try to get thrown.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Surprised my mom hasn't called me. Oh, she's working actually.
She's working that corner too.
Shut up. She's working the beer tub.
That's what I'm saying, the corner beer tub.
Hey Frank. Speaking of, one wrote on my wall, one text me. Gabby texted me and Danielle wrote on my wall. Danielle, they both say Happy New Year. What did you say as long as it's nothing about you?
Nothing about me.
Oh, did they say anything?
I got one.
I don't drink.
You don't drink? This is just water.
Never.
So you're not drinking.
Only like sometimes one with my mom because I get
Joe,
scared.
that's how much we're drinking. So
I just get scared.
Hey, get over here.
Are you recording it still? I'm still recording it. It's gone on for 9 minutes already.
Send some blow up in there. Listener.
She does. He's so nervous.
Over here.
You need to stay over here, or now you're going to go inside. You're going to go inside. Go inside, or you have to stand by the door.
Ah.